saying, you know what they say, life is short, so smile while you still have the beautiful teeth. You know, that's what they say, right? And when it comes to a beautiful smile, showing clean, white teeth gives a tremendous boost to your confidence. And where does that come from? Only if you keep your oral hygiene intact and if you always make sure and check on your teeth. और उससे ज़्यादा मतलब हमसे ज़्यादा ख्याल रखते हैं हमारे dentists. And let me introduce you to a special guest who I have on the show today. She is Dr. Dorcus Priya. I've never heard that name before. It's one of a kind. Welcome to the Big Morning Show. You know, the thing is, with this doctor, मेरा ice breaking तो already हो चुका है because जब मैं clinic के लिए गई थी, I was so hesitant and I was so nervous कि doctor सब कुछ देख लेंगे. मैंने तो अभी अपना मुंह खोल ही दिया है. So she's gonna see all that cavity that's in my mouth. Dr. Priya, tell them how horrifying that was for you.
It was a really
nice experience.
Yeah.
To see what's inside Pavitra's teeth. Go ahead, tell me how was your experience? Mera cleaning karte hue.
It's really nice meeting you, and you are a very fun-filled person, and I really loved meeting you.
Oh, you're so cute. Look at your smile itself. Zoom wide into her mouth right now. How do you maintain such good teeth? Like, what is your oral hygiene regime? Let's hear that first. And then I'll ask you formal questions.
Tips, I would say regularly brush twice a day, which is very important, and most of us do. And some of us do miss is that the cleaning the tongue, which is very important. So using a tongue cleaner is very important. Floss every day and mouth rinses.
Right.
And regular visits to the dentist. Yes.
Wow. So GP dentist, MDS Oral Surgery. So that's what you're specialized in. Can you give us more details about that?
Yes. I'm a dentist from Clover Medical Center and I'm specialized in oral and maxillofacial surgery.
Right.
This is related to any surgical procedures in the jaws, teeth, gums. So basically, most commonly, we see the wisdom teeth impaction. So I remove them.
Oh, that's nice. And how do you handle patients during these times? You know, what precautions do you take? Because right now, everybody is very apprehensive about going to a dentist. I have a friend, I keep pushing him and I would be like, yaar, apna cleaning kara le, go to Clover Medical Center. I have been there myself. I had a great experience. So I would always push him. So he's like, yaar, I don't know, it's during the pandemic. You sure? I'm like, they take care of every safety measure. So can you please tell them on air, live, jo bhi abhi sun raha hai, what are the safety measures that you're taking? Because I saw you completely guarded and all that day. It's like you're going to a battlefield. अरे यहाँ पे कोई युद्ध नहीं चल रहा है मेरे मुंह के अंदर. So please, can you tell them about that?
Sure. At our clinic, we actively follow all the precautions that are necessary, all the universal precautions that's been given by the ministry and the Dubai Health Authority. So all the surfaces are disinfected throughout the day. All the doctors and the staff, they wear the complete protective equipment. We have a special mask, the face shield, and every patient that comes into the clinic, we screen them for the history, for the symptoms, we check the temperature, and we also space them very well so that we have adequate time between the appointments so that we disinfect the room and the chair thoroughly.
Right. Very nice. All right. So you know what? There is एक अफवाह आपके बारे में. अफवाह means news. You understand Hindi, no?
Yes.
She's actually from Hyderabad. That's why I have to like sort of do this translation. So एक अफवाह है आपके बारे में कि आप बहुत ही gentle, नाजुक डॉक्टर हो. Is that true?
That's so kind of you.
No, we'll come to that. I'll ask you why people say that. There is a news about you, that even I feel the same. So I will come back and tell you my review about my treatment with Dr. Dorcus Priya. Look at that name, guys. 90s not out के बाद वापस आते हैं. Smile is the most prettiest and inexpensive accessory that you can wear on your face. So while you have that beautiful teeth, go on, smile. Let your teeth also breathe, no? Right now, on the show today, on the Big Morning Show, we have Dr. Priya ने उनका एक बहुत ही यूनिक नाम है. डॉक्टर आप ही बता दो आपका नाम जो इतना मैं तो बहुत बार बताया है. आप बताओ.
Priya means dear and I'm
First
Dr.
name.
Dorcus.
Dorcus. Now, where did you get that name from, Dorcus?
It means a deer.
It means a deer in which
Yes.
language? Oh, it's English only?
Yes, yes.
I never knew about this. Dorcus, did you know that, Aman? He's saying no. All right, so Dr. Dorcus Priya. Now, what do people think that, what ethnicity do you belong to? ऐसे सोचते हैं लोग?
Yes, they never think that I'm an Indian.
हाँ.
So they think I've come from British or
Oh, what?
any other Western
Would you like some
country.
tea? Alright, तो एक काम करते हैं. हमारी जो डॉक्टर है Dorcus Priya, I went in and I got my cleaning done at the Clover Medical Center. By the way, she is from Clover Medical Center. She works there with Dr. Sameer as well, who was with me in the studios, you know, कुछ दिन पहले, and he got me the opportunity to go and get my free treatment done, and it was amazing. I'll tell you, not because cleaning इतना भी कोई adventurous सा एक session नहीं होता. You know, people feel very jittery, and I also have dental phobia, and I'm very scared of needles. लेकिन the doctor, Dorcus Priya, this doctor, you know, made that procedure completely easy breezy for me. I felt so gentle. I felt so comfortable while she was doing the entire procedure. I'm sure you went through a lot because I was telling you, sensitive hai, more sensitive hai. So how was that like?
Everybody is anxious when they sit on the dental chair. So when they come, the first question what they ask is, does it hurt? So it's very important for us to make the patient comfortable, explain them what all we are doing. So once they know that nothing's going to hurt, we are gentle and we care for them, then everything's seamless.
So that's how you achieve that name, which is gentle doctor, gentle dental doctor. That's how you achieve that name?
Yes, I feel very happy when my patients tell me that.
So when it comes to wisdom teeth pain and removal, people are sort of very terrified, na? Ki kaisa hoga? How is the procedure? And it's very painful, they always say. How do you deal with that?
Everybody is scared when it comes to needles and when they see the sight of blood. But you have to go to the right person who's skilled and trained in that especially. So we take an x-ray, we evaluate everything, we plan how the procedure has to be done, we give anesthesia. So even before the anesthesia, we put an anesthetic gel. So they don't even feel the needle. So once the anesthesia is in, it's completely painless.
उसके बाद तो कोई pain feel ही नहीं होगा ना? It's completely numb out there.
Yes.
And also, any tips for oral hygiene? Is there something that you would like to tell, especially the young people out there who are into tobacco, who are into all these unhygienic oral practices? What would you like to tell them?
Definitely, we will not encourage anyone to develop any habits right from a younger age. And we advise less intakes of carbs and regular visit to the dentist. 6 monthly visit is very important because that's where we evaluate and check if something's coming up. Because many times people think that, okay, if I have pain, yes, I'll have to go to the dentist, or if I have bleeding gums, I'll have to go to the dentist.
Right.
But that's not right, because pain is not always an indication of disease. There might be some things which be coming and growing inside without any pain. So it's definitely important to come for regular visits and maintain a healthy lifestyle and good oral hygiene.
Right. And also they say that every 6 months, you need to get your dental checkup done. Is that true?
True.
That's what I meant. Okay.
Yes.
And how do you do that? Like, how do you, you just go there and walk in and then just get your...
Yes, get a
done?
consultation with the dentist. We evaluate all the teeth. We check the gums for the health. We take x-rays wherever needed. We see if everything is fine, anything coming up, and then we advise accordingly.
That's amazing. So with me on the show is Dr. Dorcus Priya. She's from Clover Medical Center. I'm sure everybody out there at Clover Medical Center are listening to us right now because they were super excited about your interview on air on 106.2 Big FM on the big voice. Australian couple जो हैं, they were surfing and that's when the shark came to attack the wife. So husband ने क्या किया? They were like para. He went and jumped in and he actually saved his wife by punching the shark multiple times and saving his wife. I mean, isn't this like a perfect story of Jaw 3? And of course, talking about sharp teeth. Sharks do have sharp teeth, right?
Yes, very much.
Very much. Are they the living beings who have the sharpest teeth?
Yes, and the strongest teeth.
And the strongest teeth. On the Big Morning Show, we're giving you a voucher. Basically, this voucher is for your dental hygiene, dental cleaning. So, Dr. Dorcus Priya, जो मेरी सामने बैठी है, is going to give you this voucher worth 2,000 dirhams. That's amazing, right? For teeth cleaning and whitening. So, she was just like, अरे दे दो. अरे invite them. Come on, let's do this at Clover Medical Center. Just tell us, why do you need this whitening session by Clover Medical Center? Why do you think you need to shine your teeth right now and make it bright and have a beautiful smile? Tell me a legit reason on to the number 1062. आपको बस एक message भेजना है along with your name and giving me or stating a reason why you need to get this done. A teeth cleaning session and a whitening session, right? And both of them are worth
2,000 dirhams.
2,000 dirhams, guys. क्या हो रहा है आपके लाइफ में? बर्थडे है, शादी है, फोटोशूट है, डेट है, maybe a gift for someone you really like. It could be anything. Just SMS big space the reason why you want this space, your name to the number 1062. Is that right, Dr. Dorcus?
Absolutely.
All right. Look at that smile of hers. So she was just like, "Are you done? हो गया? Interview हो गया? हाँ हो गया भाई." This is all it takes. Are you feeling good? Was it a fun conversation?
Very much.
What were you expecting otherwise also? बहुत ही serious conversation होगा मेरे साथ.
No, a very good meeting with you.
That's exactly how you feel after a whole hygienic जो treatment है, right? With the doctor.
Yes.
But I'm going to be coming in when for my whitening treatment?
This weekend, anytime.
ये देखो. You know, once I come back on air after that, it's all going to be, I don't need these tube lights here then. It's all going to be my smile. Aman, stop. Why?
You'll be able to hear the whiteness, like mic चमकेगा, की करके आवाज आएगा.
106.2 Big FM.